Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 7 of HRM 6623. I am Professor Dexter, of course. I just thought I'd check in with y'all. It is week 7. We're getting close to the end of the course, and I wanted to make sure that there was some clarity around a couple of things. First of all, this week is the case assessment. It is required by the School of Business at Troy to do a case assessment, and particularly this particular one. You do have to buy the case from Harvard Business Review, and there is a link. I've been told that it's available elsewhere on the web for less, potentially even free. I don't know, haven't found it, haven't even looked, but that's the rumor that I've heard floating around there. A couple of questions last semester about if we can find it cheaper. Can we buy it through there? Absolutely. If you can find it, go ahead and do that. That's the week 7 case assessment. Make sure you read the case. Make sure you answer the questions in the case. There are some questions in the discussion board that I added in there. I'm not going to grade you on the questions I added in the discussion board, just the questions that are actually in the case and your ability to analyze a case based on what you know about case analysis and the video that's in there. How to evaluate a case and the readings. Can't remember whether there's a video or not. I think it's just a reading. Nonetheless, use the questions on the discussion board as a guide. That's just kind of a content enhancer, I guess. Those are the things that you really need to have in there to make the case analysis work. Make sure that you answer the questions that are included in the case, though. That's the meat of it. And that case is due Sunday night at midnight, just like all the other ones. And it's a 10-point assignment, so it needs to be representative of a 10-point assignment. Your discussion board posts are 5 points. I would think, well, you probably ought to have about twice as much effort and content. So make sure you do that. And then next week, week 8, there is a final discussion board question to be posted. Same as always, one post and a response to a peers with the appropriate citations and references. So. And then that pretty much wraps it up for the course. The only piece left is the big project, which everybody should have been working on all along. You effectively have 45 points of 100 points total over the last 3 weeks. 10 points for the case, 5 points for the discussion board, and 30 points for the course project. So make sure that you stay the course. Everybody's in pretty good shape in this class. I expect to see some really great papers and some great effort the last couple of weeks. So good job so far. Let's stay the course and wrap it up. And if you have any questions, please post them to the Ask the Instructor section on the discussion board and Blackboard, and I will get back with you certainly within 24 hours. This weekend was a little bit tough. I did some traveling, so I know it was a little bit beyond the 24-hour window for at least one student. So, but I apologize for that, and I think she's set straight now. So. With that, look forward to seeing your papers and case analysis, and good luck, everybody, and thanks for the quality work so far.